Hello dear friends, in today's video I would like to show you a wonderful idea of how you can make an electric pulse marker with your own hands at home. So let's get started. And first, I'll tell you what we need for this. So, for its manufacture, we will need clips, an electromagnetic retractor relay at 12 volts. As a case, we will use such a thick marker. You will also need a compass and a 12-volt power source. These can be a power supply or a battery from a screwdriver. First of all, we remove the needle from the compass. We need to attach this needle to the rod of the retractor relay. Of course, the best option is to drill a hole and insert a needle, but I'm not sure if this needle is soft and will allow me to do this. So, if the first option is unsuccessful, we'll resort to the second idea. I will use a screwdriver handle like this. This bit attachment can be easily removed from it. Thanks to a hole of a suitable diameter and a neodymium magnet, the nozzle fits perfectly on the stem. Well, at the end of this nozzle, it'll be much easier to drill a hole for the needle since the metal is much softer. As you can see, we got both the first and second options, but we will stay on the second one since the rod is too short. Because of this, we simply cannot physically place the retractor inside the marker. Well, thanks to this extension, and since the marker is under the cone, we will be able to set it a little higher. We go to the connection. Any of the relay wires are connected to the mass. The second wire is connected to the plus of the power supply or battery. Well, and we connect the clip to the minus. In the end, this construction is installed in the marker body. So guys, the pulse electric marker is ready, so let's test it out. To start, we connect the clip from a minus power supply or battery to the blade of a knife, cause we will test it and try to draw the first letter. Of course, we plug the power supply into the socket, and before we start, I would like to draw your attention directly to the needle. This is not a simple banal connection of two wires to the battery and burning with a spark, which always jams. This device, thanks to the retracting relay, which literally makes translational movements at lightning speed, and can be said to hollow out a pattern on the middle, and thanks to the spark, the recess is much deeper. This letter was made in just 10 seconds, and it's quite deep, so there is no way to erase it. But if you prepare the stencil so that the needle doesn't move out and has the boundaries of the stop, then the drawing will turn out much more beautiful and clearer. And today's video has come to the end. Thank you so much for attention, for watching this video, for rating it and writing perhaps some comments. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.